Hi, welcome. My name is Itamar Sineshko. I'm an OpenSearch ambassador, and I'm also the maintainer for the OpenSearch Kubernetes Operator. I lead the great team at Big Data Boutique, where we provide consulting and support for OpenSearch customers all around the world, and we also built the AI SRE platform for OpenSearch, which we call Pulse. This is the first video from a series of short videos designed to teach you everything you need to know about the OpenSearch Kubernetes Operator and how to use it. In this video, we'll explore what the OpenSearch Kubernetes Operator is and why you should use it. Let's start with the why. If you're managing OpenSearch clusters on Kubernetes, you know it can be complex. You need to handle deployments, scaling, upgrades, TLS certificates, security configurations, and much more. The OpenSearch Kubernetes Operator automates all of that for you. It follows the Kubernetes Operator pattern, and it is acting as a custom controller that extends Kubernetes to manage complex stateful applications. Here is how it works. You define your desired OpenSearch cluster in a YAML file using a custom resource or CRD called OpenSearch Cluster. The operator continuously watches this resource and makes sure your actual cluster matches your desired state. Deploying your cluster, managing its resources, upgrading versions, scaling it up and down, in and out, and destroying it when needed, it all starts and ends with this CRD. The operator does the rest. What can it do? Deploy multi-node clusters, configure node roles and data tiers, scale resources and disks, perform rolling upgrades, manage TLS certificates, handle security configurations, and even gracefully drain nodes during scale down. We're also going to support autoscale soon. Instead of manually creating stateful sets, services, config maps, and secrets, you declare what you want, and then the operator handles the rest. This is all the basics you should know, and we're now ready to start with some real action. In the next video, we're going to deploy your first OpenSearch cluster in under 5 minutes. See you there.